Good morning. I'm going to do a quick overview of Flippity. Flippity is actually an extension that you can add on to your Google Suite. It works primarily with Google Sheets, so you can enter all your information into a spreadsheet and then use it to really develop any of these activities you want. Let me go ahead and we'll go through one of them. The cool thing with this is that if you turn it into a quiz show, you can see a demo and you can see if it's something that you really want to use, or if you don't want to use it, it just doesn't do what you need for it to do. Well, there it goes. So you click on instructions and it gives you really simple step-by-step directions, and also has some frequently asked questions at the bottom if you have any concerns. The only thing you really need to do is go to template, and it'll ask you if you want to make a copy, and after you download the template to your Google Drive, then you'll be able to follow the instructions from there. The easiest way, you can always go to flippity.net, but the easiest way is if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you can add it on to your Google accessories or apps. So you just click on add on and it will say do you want to download, and you just click yes, and there you go. Thanks so much. If you need any help, like always, I'm right here.